Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. Enjoy every moment in life. Always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. Forgive someone is easy, but being able to trust them again is a totally different story. Life becomes much easier when you stop justifying your choices and simply do what feels right for you. I like people who have their own vibe and don't try to like the rest of the world. Some of the kindest people carry the heaviest silence. Once I care, I don't live. Once I live, I don't care. Nothing kills you faster than your own mind. Don't stress over things that are out of your control. Make someone smile every day, but never forget that you are someone too. We are not given a good life or a bad life. We are given a life. It's up to make it good or bad. You learn nothing from life if you think you are right all the time. The bravest things you will ever do is love again. Confidence is silence. Insecurities are loud. When everything seems dark, consider you may be the light.